missing steps in the street, and your anger pleading.
I dreamt that you killed me. Shot me right through the skull.
The sound that you found for me.
I can't believe I was living like this. Who knew us? I need you here.
You will rue this day, Edward. You will rue it long and you will rue it hard.
He was your friend.
Who am I to you?
I loved you. Best I could. Do you think I wouldn't know the smell of my rotting form of gas, mate?
I'm not done! I'm just hastening the process!
Yes, you can't leave me.
We'll lead to this time. We cannot let this crew suffer any more for our mistakes.
Edward better watch this fucking step.
Oh, you scared? Eddie? Too scared to do it yourself? Hey? You seem to know everything in the whole fucking world, edizzy.
Not good enough.
Yeah, well, I'm not the answers of all things.